Actually, we're looking at about 60 to 80 incidents of these car loan scams. But as of now, we have 18 teachers who filed already their complaints
Mhm.
dito. So we're still waiting for the other victims to come out and file their complaints. Kasi nga, it's very hard for us to convince kasi parang yung ibang teachers are nahihiya to file their
Mhm.
complaints and others are still waiting na baka sakali maibalik pa yung naloko sa kanilang pera. Kaya we're still convincing other victims to come out. Actually, ang mga victims natin dito is teachers and
Mhm.
initially kasi they were enticed to apply for a car loan, yung gang. And then they will allege na mag-start ka ng Grab business, pasok natin sa Grab business yan or any rent-a-car or transport business papasok.
Mm.
With the promise, of course, that they will receive a monthly return of 18,000 to 30,000 plus that will cover, of course, the monthly amortization of the
Yeah.
mortgage vehicle. However, yung sindikato, hindi nila gagawin yon. Maybe padadamahin ka nila for a couple of months or 2 or 3 months. And then after that, ibebenta na nila yung sasakyan using yung assume balance plan. So, meron
Mhm.
na namang bagong biktima. Aside from the teachers, we will have another victim, yung bibili nung assume balance plan. Kasi nga, the car itself, it's may problema na and then binenta pa ulit. So
Mhm.
with that, yung kawawang mga teachers natin, since sila yung nakapangalan dun sa car loan, they were the ones to be yung hahabulin ng bangko. So
Mhm.
some of them were really surprised that they received a letter from the bank na sinasabi may utang ka at hindi ka na nakakabayad. And yun ang reklamo ng ibang teachers.